Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on navigating your Fraud Center. Let's begin by clicking on your Fraud Center tab. In this tab, you can control your security settings. To control your settings to universally affect all transactions passing through the gateway, click on Universal Fraud Modules. If you would like to control your settings on a specific source of payment, choose from the tabs labeled Process Transaction, Invoicing, Recurring, or Quick Sale. Once you click on one of these tabs, select a fraud module from the drop-down list on the far right side of your screen. Let's run through some of the more basic modules. For support on the other modules, please contact a team member at accept.blue. AVS Response. This module allows you to select which transactions to accept based on the Address Verification System or AVS response. For example, by checking the first box, you are instructing the system to accept only those payments to which there is an address and 5-digit zip code match. All other transactions will be declined. Checking additional boxes will allow additional transactions to be approved and processed. When you're done customizing your settings, click Save. BIN Blocker. This module allows you to block transactions based on the credit card's first 6 digits, which typically correspond to the bank which issued the card. Enter the BIN you wish to block. Then click Add. Add additional BINs if you would like. You can also customize the type of credit card you want to accept, credit or debit, as well as create an error message that will be seen by the person attempting the transaction. When you're done, click Save. Duplicate Detection. This module aids in avoiding accidental double charges made by a customer mistakenly clicking on the Process Order button twice. Enter a specific time frame, for example, 5 minutes, and if the system detects 2 charges from the same credit card number for the same amount and to the same merchant, the second charge will automatically be declined. When you're done, click Save. Multiple cards or checks. Sometimes fraudsters will try to test stolen credit cards by charging them to an account. In this module, you can protect yourself from such an occurrence. Pick a specific time frame, for example, 30 minutes, and an amount of cards, for example, 3, and the system will automatically block an IP address if 3 cards are charged within 30 minutes from the same IP address. You can further enhance these security measures in the Transaction Amount module. Scammers testing credit cards will typically charge $1, so setting a minimum transaction amount of $1.01 will block these test charges. When you're done, click Save. For additional support, please contact a team member at accept.blue. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy your day.